Welcome to a new part of the ISM Statistics 1 exercise set, this time with an exercise on boxplots and quantiles. Let's take a look at the exercise. The results from the last math exam are as follows. What's to do with this? Prepare based on this dataset a boxplot. Okay, let's do this. Before we do this, we need to consider the dataset and rearrange this in an ascending fashion. We do this, we start with the smallest ones and work our way upwards. So we do this for all the numbers we have here, so that we get them here in this case from 16 the lowest to 94 the largest one. Why are we doing this? Well, we see this on the next. We copy this data set, and if we want to construct a box plot, we need 5 different statistics to doing this. First one is the minimum. Here the advantage is minimum is the smallest value in the data set. So with an ordered data set, the smallest one is always the first. So we can directly see our minimum is 16. The next value we need is the first quartile. The first quartile we get as the 25th percentile. We multiply 25% times the number of observations, which here is 9. Then we get 2.25, and we round this up to the next integer, the next largest integer, giving us 3, and this tells us we can find the first quartile at position 3 in the ordered data set, and there we find the 53. Then we need the median. Here in this case we have 9 observations, so we have an odd number of observations. Therefore the median is given by the value in the middle, or we can just calculate 9 plus 1 giving us 10 divided by 2 giving us 5, so at 5th position. We see if we take the 5th position, there are 4 values smaller than this and 4 values larger than this. So median in this case is given as 74. Then we do similar as before, only here the third quartile, the 75th percentile. We multiply 75% with the number of observations with 9, and we get 6.25. We round this up to the next integer, which is 7, and at the 7th position we find our third quartile as 82. That's mostly what we have to do, and the last part only is given with the maximum. We have the ordered data set, so the maximum is just the last value in the data set. And well, this is all the 5 statistics, the 5 values we need for a box plot. We can in particular note the first and third quartile. They will define the upper and lower bounds of the box. The minimum and maximum will define the outreach of the whiskers, and the median will be the line inside the box. So if we try to graphically plot this, will look as follows. So here we see we have a relatively small upper part, considering the length from the upper whisker to the median, and a relatively wide lower part. So this already gives us quite a few insights into the distribution in the data set. However, in this context we won't go into so much detail, and I will just conclude by saying I hope you all enjoyed listening to this exercise and took at least something from it with you. So until next time, see you and goodbye.